glaciers, misty mountains, timeless ruins, oodles of elephants, fun trains, welcoming people, great bargains, flavorful food. Sri Lanka boasts of many experiences within such a small area. The paramount of all being the experience of a cup of pure Ceylon tea. Sri Lanka's tea industry started with one Camellia sinensis plant brought from China in 1824 by the British to replace the alien coffee plantations. It flourished and has since grown into a $1.5 billion export industry. This master process, which has been refined over the years, has earned the country a reputation of having the world's finest and purest tea. It's no wonder that tea in Sri Lanka is a serious business. At Sunshine Tea, it goes beyond just business. It's a constant commitment to keep the purity and taste of tea alive. Backed by the expertise of Sunshine Holdings plc, a respected and diversified conglomerate specializing in the areas of healthcare, agribusiness, FMCG, travel and leisure, as well as renewable energy. Sunshine Tea takes priority as the export and distribution arm of tea. The company possesses over 100 years of accumulated expertise in all forms of tea and is ranked among the top 10 tea exporters in Sri Lanka. The key to our success is our tea garden to tea cup concept. This begins from the plantation stage, where we ensure the best possible growing conditions. Our state-of-the-art processing plant complies with international quality and food safety standards and specializes in value-added and bulk tea exports. To create that ultimate tea experience, we have invested in technology that is safe, efficient and caters to all modern packaging requirements. Storage areas too are subjected to monitored conditions. The art of creating that perfect blend is a science of experience, and our master tea blenders and tasters sample over 7,000 cups a week to maintain these flavors consistently. We also have our own in-house tea laboratory, allowing for chemical and microbiological tests to further ensure quality of the tea. We offer a portfolio of our own brands, as well as facilitate private label packing for international brand names. We export over 10 million kilograms per annum to over 35 destinations worldwide. Sunshine Tea Pvt Ltd, the taste of Sri Lanka in a cup.